Welcome back to Think IP, the podcast that unpacks everything IP. I'm Dr. M. Today, we're diving into something every entrepreneur, startup, and business owner needs to know: trademark classes. Okay, I know what you're thinking. This sounds a bit dry, but trust me, I'll keep you awake and it's going to be worth it. So if you're building a brand, this could be the difference between protecting your business or losing it to someone else. Let's get into it. All right, first things first. What are trademark classes? Well, when you apply for a trademark in Australia, you have to tell the authorities, IP Australia to be exact, what products or services your trademark will cover. And to keep things organized, they've broken everything down into 45 classes. 34 for goods, 11 for services. So if you're selling sneakers, skincare, software, or even running a law firm, there's a class for that. Simple, right? But here's the catch. Choosing the right class is crucial. And I mean make or break your business crucial. Why? Because your trademark is only protected for the goods or services you list. Miss a class? Someone else can use your brand name for that category and there's nothing you can do about it. Trademark applications charge per class. So, picking too many? That's just burning money. And let's not forget overlapping trademarks. If you pick a class where someone else already has a similar name, your application could get rejected. Yeah, not fun. So, how do you figure out which class is right for you? Enter ATMOSS, the Australian trademark online search system. It's basically your best friend when it comes to trademarks. You can search for existing marks, check classifications, and avoid costly mistakes. Before you file anything, check ATMOSS, trust me. Now let's talk about how to choose the right class. Here's a simple game plan. First, identify your core products and services. Ask yourself, what are you selling now? What will you sell in the near future? Next, refer to the NICE classification system. Australia follows this international system, so every class is already predefined. Then use ATMOSS to search for similar trademarks. If someone's already using a confusingly similar mark in your class, you might need a backup plan. Also, think ahead. Planning to expand. Registering in multiple classes now might save you a world of trouble later. Finally, consult an expert. Sometimes talking to an IP lawyer can save you thousands in mistakes. Now let's say you're thinking, should I register in multiple classes? That's a big decision, and it depends on your current business. If you sell across multiple categories, you probably need multiple classes. Future expansion. Will you offer new products or services in the next few years? Competitor activity, if they're covering multiple classes, you might need to do the same. Budget, each class costs extra. Prioritize what's essential and expand when you can. Risk of infringement, filing in multiple classes can help you block competitors from using your brand name in related industries. Let's bring this to life with a real-world example. Meet Lisa. She's launching a new organic skincare brand called POMELO. Sounds fancy, right? Lisa's got organic face creams and serums, essential oils for skincare, herbal shampoos and conditioners, and an online store to sell all these goodies. Now Lisa has to figure out her trademark classes. Here's her breakdown: skincare and cosmetics, Class 3. Essential oils, Class 3 again. Hair care products, Class 3. Yep, still fits. Online retail for skincare, That's class 35. Now comes the real decision. Should Lisa register in multiple classes? Here's her thought process. Necessity. She has to protect her core products, so class 3 is non-negotiable. Future expansion. If she starts selling in retail stores, she'll need class 35. Competitor analysis. Other skincare brands are filing under class 35 too, so she doesn't want to be left out. Budget. She's got limited funds but knows skipping class 35 could be a mistake. She decides to register in class 3 and class 35 now, and maybe class 44 later if she starts a spa. And that, my friends, is how you build a trademark strategy. Moral of the story. If you're serious about protecting your brand, don't rush the trademark process. Choosing the right class ensures you own your brand name in your industry. So do your research, think long term, and don't be afraid to get expert help if needed. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I always look forward to reading your thoughts, good or bad. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, share, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our deep dives into business and IP strategy. And if you leave your email address in the comments section or go to thinkip.au, I'll send you a free copy of the Think IP book. Over 300 pages of practical, high-value insights. Just to say thank you. Until next time, think IP, because it pays.